Alright, sometimes you just want to add the surface of your topo as a type of texture over your existing scan. So for better visualization, and here I'm going to show you how to do that. So you have your scan file, you already made your topo. This is a triangulation that you already made, and you want to overlay it with a, for example, like a drone scan that you already had. So how to go about that is to you're in your project file, doesn't matter where you want to do it. I want to put it on over my topos. I already selected. And the way to do it is through utility tool up here, and you want to add texture surface tool. You click on this plus sign here, and you go to where your kind of TIFF file is located at. You choose that, and it does some thinking. Probably going to take a while. Once the file is done, it's added. You have to click on texture surface, and you pick the topo that you want it to be projected on. And then again, we're thinking. So yeah, once you click on that, it opens the file, and then you're done here. You can close it. Their point cloud is kind of overlaid with your existing topo, and you can go and rotate around, make sections like so. I'm gonna make a section here, for example. Just a quick section over here, and add this here, and go to 2D. And then this is your sort of section. But mind you, because we have the topo underneath it, so it kind of so I'm going and editing, creating, I'm selecting it so that you can see exactly what I'm looking at. So yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to show here. I think it's pretty useful to have this tool available. Kind of for visualization purposes, and especially getting a better idea for the client.